Hey friends, who's hungry? Pineapple poke cake with cream cheese icing is a quick and simple dessert with big results. Prepare 1 box of white cake mix according to package directions using a greased 9 by 13 inch dish. Allow the cake to cool completely after baking. Combine 1 8-ounce can of undrained crushed pineapple and 1 cup of sugar in a small saucepan. Bring the mixture to a boil and simmer until the sugar is dissolved. Using a fork or something similar, poke holes throughout the cake. And before anyone comments, yes, I am aware of the chunk missing from the corner. One of my kiddos got hungry. Pour the pineapple mixture over the cake. Then in a large mixing bowl, combine 1 8-ounce package of softened cream cheese, half a cup of softened unsalted butter, and 3 cups of powdered sugar. Mix everything together until it's combined. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1½ cups of chopped pecans. Evenly spread the icing over the cake. Top the icing with an additional ½ cup of chopped pecans. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.